Hey everyone, welcome back to Automate with Amit. Imagine your testing related headaches can be handled by AI robots, which can work for you day and night. Sounds like a dream, right? But not anymore. Because I am going to show you some of the very useful and popular AI tools which can handle all of these headaches for you. So in this particular video, I am going to show you some of very popular and useful software testing related AI tools which are going to change the way you work. But before we begin, hi, my name is Amit Tripathi and I have more than 9 years of experience and I make videos on software testing, automation and AI tools related to software testing domain. So without any delay, let's start this video. First AI tool in this particular series is Testim.io. Testim was developed by Tricentis company, and if you see what different services they offer, they have Testim, which basically supports web and mobile app testing. Testim Copilot basically helps you to accelerate testing with AI. So whenever you are going to automate any particular scenario, this Testim Copilot is going to help you a lot, and it is going to increase your efficiency and speed also. Testing Mobile is another product they have, iOS and Android testing. So, and also it supports Salesforce testing. So basically with Testim, you can achieve no code, intuitive and end-to-end Salesforce testing also. Next in the series is Applitools. So this Applitool basically is next level AI tool. So whenever you want to perform visual testing on the UI, Applitool is the best tool in the market right now. What is visual testing? Let's suppose there is a button on this screen and you have request a free trial here, and there is another button which is overlapping here. So even minutes of changes on the UI, this tool is very capable of capturing. Okay, so using Applitools, you can perform multiple things like you can create automation for any team. You can validate interfaces with accuracy with visual AI, cross-browser testing, accessibility testing, release testing. Execute also, you have self-healing test. This is one of the best capabilities of any AI tool. So self-healing tests are those tests which auto heals itself whenever there are locator related issues. Test orchestration, run tests on intelligent infrastructure at a scale. So if you wanted to scale your test cases, this tool is very much helpful. Analyze also. So Applitools gives you the power to analyze your failures also, root cause analysis, automated maintenance, and test insights. So all of these things are very useful whenever you perform software testing related processes, right? So third AI tool in the series is Mabl.com. So Mabl, if you see, this has multiple layers of operations which this AI tool performs. So this is cloud-based, AI driven and low code AI tool. So this helps in web automation, mobile automation, and API automation at the same time. Also, it supports end-to-end testing, different types of end-to-end testing basically. So if you wanted to perform accessibility, visual, performance, functional, all of these type of testing is done by Mabl. Also, multiple test operations related things like scheduling and orchestration. Infrastructure, if you wanted to scale your test cases, this is going to help you. Diagnostics and reporting, basically it helps in debugging. Integrations, so multiple type of tools are there which are required in order to perform testing. So those integration, maybe Jira or TestRail or these kind of tools also can be integrated in this Mabl.com. Next in the row is Functionize.com. This is another a next level AI tool because this helps you to write your test cases in natural language, and you can write literally your test cases in pure English, and this is going to help you automate your whole scenario. So use cases, if you see, this helps to automate different type of end-to-end testing, whether database, API testing, file testing, localization related testing. So localization testing is the one of very good feature which is only available in Functionize. So what is localization basically? Localization simply means you wanted to test your website in multiple languages. So that is localization testing. Codeless. So you need not to write any code for this. Collaborative. You can collaborate in teams also. So Functionize has deep learning engine also. This is going to help to learn itself whenever you are writing test cases or making mistakes, or there are bugs in some places. So it is going to learn by itself using deep learning engine. Next is TestSigma. TestSigma basically helps you to automate your test cases in multiple ways. So if you wanted to test web application, mobile applications, APIs, or Salesforce related applications, then TestSigma is best companion for you. So TestSigma also has different features like test development, test execution, reporting and analysis, test data management also. So if you wanted to create test data for certain scenarios, this TestSigma is going to help you also. Next in the line is QMetry. So this is also very good automation tool. Basically not automation tool as such, but it helps in test automation as well as test management. So if you wanted to have any test management AI driven software, then QMetry is the best tool for you. So QMetry basically helps in multiple domains. So BFSI, basically banking, financials sector, if it is there, then QMetry is very helpful. Healthcare, quick service restaurants, and energy and government related digital transformation related things. So QMetry is very good automation tool or test data management tool, which is powered by AI. So next AI tool in the line is Appvance.ai. So this AI tool basically helps you to perform web testing, mobile testing, Windows desktop app testing, services testing, basically. So if you wanted to test APIs, databases, complex data structures, then Appvance.ai is going to help you. It also helps you to perform functional testing, load and performance testing also, security testing, so end-to-end testing. So basically there are multiple type of testing this Appvance.ai is supporting. So if you wanted to explore some of generative AI related things, then also Appvance is a good tool to start with. Next in the line is testRigor. So testRigor basically has AI capabilities in software testing. So it has generative AI software testing. So if you see, this is number one generative AI based test automation tool. So you can write your test cases in pure English here also, and it is going to auto heal whenever your test cases fail due to locators or there are test maintenance related activities. TestRigor is best tool related to test maintenance also. Okay, so if you wanted to generate tests to reflect how users interact with your application, non-technical manual QA can build and maintain test automation while never failing behind. Focus on your product, not code. So these all are the benefits with testRigor basically. So 99.5% less time maintaining tests in testRigor compared to Selenium. That was all in this particular video. If you like the information I shared, please press like button. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, because I am going to share more videos related to AI testing and AI tools. So that is going to be very, very useful for you guys. And if you wanted me to prepare more videos on these tools, exploring more about their functionalities, then comment in the comment box and I am going to bring more and more videos related to AI tools and AI in automation testing. With that, see you in the next one.